and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut templates like on CapCut PC. So this is not on the app, it's on the website, but it's like very easy to access. You don't need to download anything, just go to CapCut.com, log in with your email, and just select the my edit button until you reach this page. I can't go back for some strange reasons to the actual CapCut homepage, but basically just go to my edit and then select templates here. You'll see a lot of options that you can choose from, and for instance I want to use this one, so I'm just going to simply select on the template and I'm going to select use this template, and it's going to bring you to this page. Now, to change the image that the template has, you're just going to simply select replace, and you're going to find the pictures that you want to add onto the track, like for instance this one, and you're going to replace it with this. Just look at the image here, and again go to replace and find another image to replace it with, and then again like this one, and then again replace one more time. And you can even edit it here to crop it and just press done, or you can replace it again. And that is basically it. Once you're done, you can just simply export it and press export here. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Oh, once you're done, just select download, the download button, by the way. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!